Hi, Molly. How's your babies doing? You're doing such a good job. What you got on your face? What you got? Look at the precious babies. Look at yes, hi. Look at those babies. They just got their fresh new collars put on. Still might be a little too big. I might have to switch them back to the old collars. But everybody's doing really well. Everybody's putting on some nice weight gains. Eyes are opening. I think they might have a little bit of their hearing. They seem to be reacting occasionally to loud noises, like their mother and father and auntie barking like fools at everything that passes by the house. But yep, everybody's happy, healthy, and doing well. And this is day 16. Day 16. Who's this one? That's Iris, our purple-collared girl. Who's under here? Somebody's way under there. Oh, that's Meadow, our black-collared girl. So much cuteness.